Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine and safe. Today my topic is all about me. Class is prep, subject is general knowledge and the topic is all about me. All about means is everything about me and myself. All about means is everything about me and myself, my dislikes and likes. First, I will introduce myself to you. Please open your books, page number 1. Let's read. I am a boy or a girl. I am introducing to you myself. I am a girl. Who I am? I am a girl. My birthday is on dash. My birthday is on 3rd June. Second one is, I live in Lahore. Where do I live? I live in Lahore. Fourth one is, my favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. My school name is St. Teresa Convent School. My school name is St. Teresa Convent School. I want to be a teacher. I'm sure आप सबको ये होगा कि जब आप बड़े होगे तो आप क्या बनोगे बड़े होके. तो मैं अब बड़ी हो चुकी हूँ तो मैं एज ए टीचर हूँ. मैं एक टीचर हूँ. I want to be a teacher. Next, I read in class. जो भी आप कोई सी भी क्लास में पढ़ते हैं, जैसे आप प्रेप क्लास में पढ़ते हैं तो आप यहाँ पे प्रेप लिख सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने लिखा आई एम ए ग्रेजुएट. Write your favorite things which you like. This is on page number 2. You can also see in your books right here. These are the questions that you have to solve. First question is, where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live? You live in Lahore. I live in Lahore. The second one is, what is your school name? आपके स्कूल का क्या नाम है? What is your school name? My school name is St. Teresa Convent School. And your school name is also St. Teresa Convent School. And the third one is, who is your favorite or best teacher? आपका favorite teacher या best teacher कौन सा है उसका आपने यहाँ पे नाम mention करना है, जो कि page number 3 पर है. You can also see in your book. This is page number 3. I hope you enjoy the lesson. Stay home, stay blessed. Bye.